Assalamu alaikum. So a very quick tutorial on how to use the Sumup card machine. The first thing is to download the app onto your phone. It's available both on Android and Apple. Just search for Sumup. This is what it looks like on the iTunes version. Once the app is installed, we're ready to connect the card machine to your phone. So for that, you need to make sure your Bluetooth on your phone is on. Then turn on the card machine using the button on the right hand edge. Once it's on, you'll see the word Sumup on the screen. Open the app and then select login on the main screen. You'll be taken to the login screen, and from there you'll put in the details which you'll be given in advance of the event. Once you've logged in, click on the settings icon in the bottom right hand corner. On the next screen, choose payment methods at the top. On the last screen, you'll see an icon of the actual card reader at the bottom with the word Air next to it. Click on that. That will start searching from your phone to connect with the actual card machine device. Once it's found the nearest card machine, it will show you on screen the last 3 digits of the serial number of the card machine, and what you need to do is check by turning over the machine to see if those 3 digits match what you're seeing on your screen. Then once it's ready, you'll see the connect button on the screen. Press that and you'll get the confirmation that it's successfully paired. So now it's ready to take payments. Click on the basket icon in the bottom left hand corner. That takes you to the main screen, and from there you can enter the value the donor wants to pay. Remember, you can do contactless up to £30. For a contactless payment, enter the value, press charge, then the donor needs to move their card close to the machine. It also takes Apple Pay and Google Pay. In a few seconds, you'll get a confirmation that the payment has been processed. You'll then be asked if you want to send a receipt via email or text to the donor. It's obviously quicker using text message. Where you're taking a payment of more than £30 and there is no upper limit, or you're using a non-contactless card, as before, you'll enter the value in the main screen, you'll press charge, you'll take the donor's card and put it into the card machine as shown on your screen in the app. You'll then ask the donor to enter their PIN into the card machine. You then need to press the green tick. After a few seconds it will process, you'll get the confirmation, and lastly you'll be given the opportunity to send a receipt as before.